Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get a Hostgator discount code. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now I'm going to open up my Google Docs here, and I've got a Hostgator promo discount code that you guys can use. So the code is here. So if we copy this code and place this in the web browser, the code is up to 66 to 72% off. The pricing might change, so you might get bigger discounts depending when you're watching this video. So if we head back over here and click on get started, so starting at $375 a month here, the hatching plan, so 66% off, and then we got the baby plan 73% off, and then you got the business plan 72% off at the time of recording. So you got some huge savings here if you go ahead and use this code that I've got for you. And yes, I am affiliated with Hostgator, so we'll receive a small commission if you purchase through my link that I'll leave in the description below. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.